Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Typhoon APK on your Amazon Firestick device. This is very simple and easy video for every Firestick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds, and here as you can see settings option, then click on. Now find here my FireTV option. Once you have find my FireTV option, then click on. Now click on developer option. Scroll down apps from unknown source and press select button on remote control. When you press select button on your remote, a message will appear on your screen. So the select turn on, and here as you can see apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. And here what you have to do, you need to download downloader on your Amazon Firestick device. You click on search icon above the menu and type here downloader. Once you have typed DO, suggestion below search downloader, then click on. Now here click on orange color downloader app, then click on download. After downloading downloader, then click on open. When you launch downloader first time on your Amazon Fire Stick device, it will ask you allow some permission, so click on allow, then click on OK. And here as you can see downloader search box, then click on search box and type here firestick.com/typhoon.apk. When you type firesticklab.com typhoon.apk, then click on go button, and here as you can see downloading will be started. After installing Typhoon streaming app, then click on install button for installing Typhoon TV on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And here as you can see Typhoon streaming app installed on your Amazon Fire Stick device. So click on done button and delete APK file. Now click on home button, and here again press remote home button for 3 seconds, then click on applications, and here as you can see all installed application on Amazon Fire Stick device. So I am opening Typhoon streaming app, which one I installed. When you launch Typhoon app first time on your Amazon Fire Stick device, it will ask you allow some permission, so click on allow, then click on OK. So you can use this method to download Typhoon streaming app on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next on next video. Take care.